I think I broke pretty much every rule. Everything that my clients hated and I loved, I put in this house. So it was pretty much, you don't like it, give it to me, I'll make it work. And I think that's what I've done pretty much in every avatar of this house, which has been like a lot. Yeah, black, white, end off.
Little bit of color.
Monochromatic, yeah. Now I've started adding a lot more color, in like the art and I guess what the art. But yeah, that's what I do. But no, I think I like working with a very muted palette, and then you can kind of layer on that. And so yeah, but for the most part, watercolor. I don't know if I'm that deep when it comes to design. So I'm more of a very superficial person. So what you see is what you get. But yeah, I think maybe with regards to the art working with the kind of palette of the house, it kind of ties in bits and bobs throughout the house. So I think that would be the only design detail people would probably notice. Yeah, I think we've redone every part of this house like
4 times in 8 years. Since
probably. I don't think there's any even corner left that I've not
You will find a corner.
retouched, redesigned probably.
You will find a corner.
Yeah, probably.
I give you 2 months.
But yeah, but you know what? I think I'm going to revamp our bedroom and bathroom next year probably. And that's the project on the cards for me. Yeah.
He needs to have a project.
I need to have a project
for the
in
house.
this home, yeah. So, yeah. It's yeah, I don't know, it's really weird, but I think when it comes to a designer and their own space, they don't mind splurging. I mean, we don't mind splurging even our clients money, but yeah, but I think mainly with their own space they don't mind doing it because they know it fits a certain part of the home and they don't mind kind of spending on it. So whether it came to my art or when it comes to furnishings or anything for that matter, I mean, my records are my new obsession in the house. So I don't mind splurging on that as well. So yeah, but I guess when it's your own home, you don't mind.
His wife?
I'm gonna say my wife. I was gonna say that, but I don't know. What would I not? My bar. The bar, yes. That. It's had this one wallpaper of a Japanese woman plastered on it for the past, I think, 12 years, and that's one thing.
You've been staging the house.
Yeah,
the
but
bar service. I love it.
I work around the bar, so yeah, it's a center point of attraction. Again, I'm gonna go back to the bar because the thing is, when anybody walks by, they just think it's a framed piece of art put on the wall. But actually it's 2 shutters which open and there's a bar behind, and that used to be another space. It used to be a kind of an alcove for a small TV like 15-20 years ago, and then we just thought, yeah, it's a perfect place for the bar, so we shut it, and now it just looks like framed art when actually it's the door to Pandora's box. Yeah.
Hidden treasures.
Yeah, hidden treasures. The balcony with the Togo seat, which is so comfortable. Then the dining, I think it's a very small kind of intimate space where like 4 friends can gather around, and we love having kind of meals over there. And I think the den right now, because it's newly done up, and we love hanging out there. There's no TV, which is the best thing ever. For now, but then no, we can't change it also because of all the storage will. But so yeah, just listen to music, have a glass of wine. That's yeah. This house is too small. I think the 5 corners, so 3 will be it. So yeah.
My favorite. I love sitting on this couch, resting my legs up here, watching TV.
Yeah, actually, that's
having a glass of wine. I love the little balcony area. First thing in the morning with my coffee. Chilling, and yeah, the den as well.
Yeah,
the den for me too.
Given my record collection, I wouldn't even know where to start. But
one.
So okay, so there's this one particular vinyl which is by Astrid Gilberto, It's kind of bossa nova jazz album, which we love kind of playing even when we're cooking, when we're just having a glass of wine, entertaining. That's one of them. And a really good podcast which we love listening to is called Table Manners with Jessie
I love
Ware.
it.
It's really good. They have guests on talking about food, and we're both ninja foodies, so I think it all plays into the space really hard. Yeah. Was it that black hole? Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, I
I have to say though, I was wrong and I love it.
so it was this one wall
Actually, I
behind that dining table, which I was like, let's just paint the whole thing black. And and we just have this beautiful piece of art on it, and I think it works right now. So yeah, I'm happy about that.
Okay, so before we got married and I moved in, it was a proper man cave.
Yeah.
So I mean, now you see.
There was nothing.
I mean, it was a beautiful space, but now you see the plates and you see the crockery,
Yeah.
and you see the glasses and
And a lot of
Tea towels.
a lot of candles.
tea towels, candles.
So
You know, the little game.
kind of
Little thing.
soften the space up, yeah, for sure. On its hard edges, but yeah.
It would be no Buffon. No, I'm kidding. A knife bob.
Yeah,
A structured bob.
Yeah, I think just kind of chic is whatever. It's not even really a design style, but it's a term that I would kind of describe the house. And I think when planning it at different stages, I kind of always had that word in the back of my mind where I wanted it to look chic. And I think hopefully that's how it's going to look.
Let's take a break for 2 years.
I think, yeah. I think we're fed up of having like workers in the house, but and contractors. But I think just one more, and that's going to be our room. So to be like save the best, but yeah, just our room and bathroom, save the best for last. So yeah.